Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and best product reviews. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best Velux Skylight Crank, the opener adapter for Skylights, eyelet adapter with set screw replacement. This handy tool is perfect for those who need to replace parts for their Velux skylight or awning window operators. It's designed to make your life easier by providing a simple and efficient solution for damaged or broken operator parts. The opener adapter for Skylights is made from high-quality zinc alloy, ensuring strength and durability. Its fine craftsmanship guarantees that your skylight operator will last for years, saving you the hassle of frequent repairs. Whether you're replacing a part for a Velux skylight or an awning window operator, this eyelet adapter with a set screw is a perfect fit, offering easy installation. You won't need to be a professional to get this adapter installed. You can handle it yourself and save on expensive service fees. Speaking of fit, this product is designed with precision. The inner diameter of the adapter hole measures 11/32 of an inch, which fits perfectly with 11/32 and 5/16 splines. If you're unsure about whether this part will fit your existing hardware, be sure to check the dimensions in the product image link. This will ensure that the adapter works seamlessly with your existing system. Installing this adapter is incredibly easy. It comes with a set screw that allows you to secure it firmly, providing you with the confidence that it will stay in place for as long as you need it. You don't have to hire a professional to install this part, so you'll get the satisfaction of doing it yourself while also saving time and money. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should you choose this specific adapter? Well, the quality of the material, the simplicity of the installation process, and the precise fit make this the best Velux Skylight Crank replacement option out there. It's built to last, designed with the consumer in mind, and offers a hassle-free experience. Plus, if you ever run into any issues, the customer service provided by the seller ensures that you'll have support available to resolve any concerns quickly. Whether you're fixing your Velux skylight, an awning window operator, or just need a reliable replacement part, this opener adapter is your go-to solution. Don't settle for less. Get the best Velux Skylight Crank replacement available on the market today. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future reviews. See you in the next one.